JGE here, and in front of me I have the WF-1000XM4. These are the earbuds for the XM4 Sonys. And today we're going to be replacing the battery on the case here. And all that you will need is a plastic spudger here, a replacement battery, and your case. So if your battery is dead or it's just not charging your buds up all the way, or the capacity is lowered here, you can repair it. It's really easy to do, really straightforward. So what we'll grab here is grab our case. You can open it up, and to make it a little easier, you can just push on these sides a little bit, but you have 4 clips here in the corner, so you can just take your spudger and go right in between. Now on the other side, you can just pull it out. So this comes all as one piece, so it comes out like so. So we're gonna go ahead and set this aside. Now this is what we're working with. Proceed from here, we're gonna go and start lifting, taking this off here. So if you see, you have some connections over here. So looking at the USB-C side, you can see there's 2 clips on each side, and then over here clamps up on the top. So starting from the USB side, just go ahead and unclip that, as well as the other side. It will come off like so, and then from here you can just feed that up a little bit. There we go. Now the next thing that we will do is disconnect the battery itself. Again, you can just use your spudger for that, or you can just pull on it. There's no glue there, so you can just pull it out like so. And we have our wireless charging coil here that we can just keep over here. Alright, now we can just take off this plastic. Alright, and here is the battery. Now there's double-sided tape that's holding this battery down, so we're going to go ahead and just separate that with our plastic spudger. You can use a little bit of alcohol if you want to help you do that. We're going to try and keep the double-sided tape on the plastic here so we don't have to replace it. But if you do damage the double-sided tape there and it's no longer tacky, you can go ahead and just replace that. Alright, we got the battery replaced, and we're going to position it in the same way that we took it out. So in this position here. There we go, it's tacked down. That's not going anywhere. We're just going to clip this back in. We're going to connect this up. Alright, so if we look here, our pins are on the top. So when placing it in, make sure these pins stay to the top, so it's going to be in this orientation. So you do not want to see those metal pins there, so you want to flip it like so. So the plastic side. Like that, so it just sits right in there. And we'll start with clipping this rear first, and then the front clips here. So again, let's fold that in. There we go. Everything clips in place. You can just double check that to make sure everything is secure, that nothing's moving. And the last step we'll have here is to go ahead and just place it back in. Again, line up your Type-C port on the plastic with the Type-C charger. And we just clip everything into place. You can double check that that's sitting in there good, that nothing's going anywhere. And we did see that green light come on. That shows that it's working. And we could also double check by plugging it in to make sure that the case is working properly. There we go, when you open the case. Alright, and that's how you would replace the battery on a WF-1000XM4 case. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.